I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking eggplant on a frying pan. For this simple sauteed eggplant recipe, you just need an eggplant, oil for cooking. I'll use olive oil, you can use any kind of vegetable oil, and seasonings of your choice. I will use soy sauce, garlic powder, and red pepper. So now I'm just going to cut eggplant into small pieces. And if you notice, I didn't peel the eggplant because I like the eggplant peel. I just washed it before making the video. If you don't like the peel, feel free to peel the eggplant. But it tastes good with the peel. So now I have my cut up eggplant and seasonings, and I'm going to go over to the stove and cook it. And now I'm ready to cook the eggplant. So here I have a non-stick frying pan. I'm going to turn the heat on high. And then I will add oil. So use as much or as little oil as you like. It's just for flavor. It really makes it tastier. And now I will add eggplant. And I'm not adding seasonings yet. I will season it at the end once it's cooked. So now let's wait till the oil heats up and it starts sizzling, and then we'll mix the eggplant. So now the oil is sizzling and the pan has heated, so I'm going to mix the eggplant. So see, once I mix it, the oil got absorbed in the eggplant, and I don't see any more here. So I'm going to add a little more, and again, this is totally optional. It will cook without oil as well because it's a frying pan, so I just like it for flavor, so I'll add some more. And now I will reduce the heat to medium high. And let's continue cooking, stirring every minute, and just keep an eye on them and see their progress. Now it's been about 10 minutes of me cooking it and mixing every minute, so it's almost ready. This needs a little bit more, but it's almost cooked. So at this point, just again keep an eye on it and keep mixing and cooking. And at the very end, we're going to season it. Now this is 12 minutes from the start. I'm going to reduce heat to medium, and feel free to reduce heat to medium or medium low anytime you feel like they're starting to burn. So now that just need a few more minutes, I'm going to season them. So just add soy sauce, garlic powder, and red pepper. And again, you can use seasonings of your choice. This is going to be a spicy eggplant because of red pepper. And mix. And I will cook for 1 more minute, and then it will be done. So now it's been 15 minutes from the start of cooking, and that eggplant is fully ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat and take it off the frying pan. Look how good it looks. See how easy it was to cook eggplant on a frying pan? Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. Tastes so good. You're going to love cooking eggplant on a frying pan. This is great. So easy. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!